हमारी जिंदगी के पन्नों में हम कई लोगों से मिलते हैं, जुड़ते हैं, पर ऐसे मौके कम आते हैं जब हम किसी ऐसे मानव, महामानव के साथ कुछ समय बिताने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त करते हैं।
त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात्।
पिछले हफ्ते आप सबके साथ साथ मैं भी जुड़ी थी ऐसे ही एक महानुभाव, एक ऐसे व्यक्ति से जिनका मूल लक्ष्य, मूल कर्म है हम सब में खुशियां बांटना, हमें जीवन जीने की कला की सीख देना। श्री श्री रविशंकर।
कुछ पन्ने जिंदगी के।
गुरुजी, अक्सर लोग आपके पास आते हैं अपने सवाल लेकर, विद देयर स्ट्रेस, विद देयर एंजाइटी, और आप उनको अपनी कामनेस से, उनके प्रॉब्लम से निकालते हैं, उनको पैसिफाई करते हैं। पर कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप किसी स्ट्रेस या एंजाइटी से गुजरे हैं?
I can't relate to anxiety, but yes, there has been many moments. We were involved in tsunami time, and I was traveling for 48 hours continuously. Those days were very stressful. Then we were in Iraq. I was traveling in Iraq, and then there was bombs in the front, in back, in war zones. I went in red zone. I was not anxious, of course, but I did make people around me anxious. I knew that all will be well with us. And the government said you should not go into red zone, but I insisted I want to go and meet the tribal people. They gave me 12 vehicles, including 2 tankers for my security. So to travel a distance of which would take otherwise half an hour, used to take 2 hours. Traveling in the war zones was a sort of thrill, no anxiety as such for me. And long back in Kashmir also, when we traveled, when Kashmir was into the grip of militancy, I had traveled to Anantnag, I had traveled to many places. I traveled to Sri Lanka. That was a disappointment for me. In Sri Lanka, when I went, I wanted to make peace. I spoke to the president, and I went to speak to Prabhakaran. I told him, I wanted to tell him, don't go into war, come to negotiation table when you still have power. He neither listened to me through his assistant, nor did he directly come and meet with me. So that was a little disappointing thing. I stayed there for a day in Kilinochchi, because I knew I could see that 80,000 people will be destroyed if this one man's ego is not suppled down. If he had come on a negotiating table, the war in Sri Lanka could have been averted. That could not be averted for some reason. People down his line, they were also desperate. They said, Gurudev, you must meet our head. They used to call him Talaivar. You must meet him. His mind will change if he meets with you. But that man refused to meet. He said, spiritual leaders, they don't meet. And once again in North Korea, when North Korea, South Korea, there was big hot up was happening between them, the two countries. There were some efforts to meet with the new president, young president. He's just in his 20s, late 20s, to meet with him and to give him some sense. Because he was surrounded by mafia, I was told. And the mafia didn't let us have access to that president. So it came almost that close, and then that fizzled out. So these things happen, but I'm not disturbed by those things. Yeah.
भारत के कई अलग शहरों से, प्रांत से लोगों ने अपने सवाल हम तक पहुंचाए, और उन सवालों के जवाब आज आप तक लेकर आई हूँ स्वयं गुरुजी से। तो एक अलग अंदाज में शुरू करती हूँ आज का पन्ना और कुछ पन्ने जिंदगी के विद मधुरिमा निगम और 92.7 बिग FM।
कुछ पन्ने जिंदगी के।